Is your laptop screen looking a little dim, a bit washed out, or maybe it's just plain broken? Well, today we're diving into a potential lifesaver for many. The B140HAN07.6 14-inch matrix replacement laptop LCD screen. This isn't just any screen. It's a component that can breathe new life into a tired machine. And honestly, the difference it can make is pretty remarkable. Now, the first thing you'll notice when you get this screen is its clarity. We're talking about a 14-inch display, and the B140HAN07.6 really shines with its crisp resolution. Colors pop, blacks are deeper than you might expect for a replacement panel, and the overall viewing experience is just so much more vibrant. It's the kind of upgrade that makes you wonder why you put up with that old, faded screen for so long. Installation, of course, is where things can get a little tricky. This is a replacement part, so it's not a plug-and-play situation for everyone. You'll need a bit of technical know-how or be willing to follow a detailed guide. But if you're comfortable with a few small screws and some delicate ribbon cables, the reward is a significantly improved visual experience. The touch functionality, or lack thereof, is noted as none here, so this is purely for the display itself, not a touchscreen replacement. That's an important distinction to make. Performance-wise, this screen handles everyday tasks beautifully. Whether you're browsing the web, working on documents, or even catching up on your favorite shows, the B140HAN07.6 delivers a smooth and consistent picture. There's no noticeable lag, and the brightness levels are more than adequate for most indoor environments. It truly feels like a genuine upgrade, not just a functional replacement. For anyone whose laptop screen has seen better days, or if you're looking to give an older laptop a new lease on life with a superior display, the B140HAN07.6 is a seriously compelling option. It's a straightforward way to enhance your daily computing without needing to buy a whole new laptop. It's a solid choice for a visual refresh.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.